morning. Here we are in Ushegola SMART site, and this is a project we are developing in cooperation with Engineers Without Border. So we can see here the progress of the project, and the donkey cars, the community already start fetching water free of charge at the beginning, but soon they will start paying for water. And we can see here how they fill up on donkey cars, and this is Newgate, where the donkey cars come close here and fetch outside of the fence, and the women are also fetching outside because they can't get in yet, so it's outside for donkey cars only. So this is different approach from all our sites, and here we have gravels for drainage coming, so it's under construction already. And here we have two 10,000 liter reservoirs, and for people who are coming with jerry cans to fetch here on the other side with drainage. And we have solar panels here, and this one is 5,000 liter tank for elevated reservoir up there under construction. We'll show you solar panels and technical room here. Let's see inside. Okay, connection cables here from the panel. A well, here is a well, and technical room, here it is. Here are the batteries already connected, controller, cables, and materials for maintenance and some spares. Okay, so for now the water is directly pumped to 20,000 liter reservoirs, but once the elevated tank is done, here you can see the dug trench for the pipe, so the elevated tank will be up there, and then the pump will directly pump to the elevated pump, but with gravity it will continue come down to the 10,000 liter reservoirs and then to the Magare site. So we can also see the bridge going to Magare site here. So from the elevated tank, which is this one, from the elevated tank the water will directly go with gravity to 20,000 liter reservoirs down there, as we can see, and to the Magare site like this. Here is a bridge. Here is a bridge. Bridge. So this bridge is hanging this HDP pipe along the gully, and there's another one hanging up there, so we can see Magare site there. And we need to work on this gully to repair it or to maintain with different plantation, and all this field of Ushegola A site will be for sustainable food production and permaculture gardening. So this is the progress of Ushegola project done in cooperation with Engineers Without Border and the SMART team so far. Thank you.